Hi, everybody. Sometimes Connect can be a little finicky and challenging to use, and I think this will be particularly true when you try to do the last two problems in the Chapter 3 homework. So I thought I'd take a few minutes to show you how to input your answers into Connect. Here is the Chapter 3 homework assignment. This is the first question. I want to go to the last two questions in the assignment. Here's question number 8. Notice that it's a long problem with lots of transactions. And as you page down, you will see T accounts with 4 columns. This is unusual because we're used to only 2 columns in our T accounts, debits on the left, credits on the right. Well, we still have debits on the left and credits on the right in this problem. Here's the center line for the cash T account. The debit is posted right here on the left, and a credit is posted right here on the right. These 2 outer columns are used to select the problem that you're working on that you just posted. Also, a little unusual, there is a special instruction that says deductions to account balances should be indicated by a minus sign. This is a special instruction for the Chapter 3 homework because Connect is testing your knowledge on how to reduce an account balance. I want to be clear that in future chapters and in the real world, there are no negative signs in T accounts. So I'm going to demonstrate how to record the first 2 transactions to get you started on the right track to complete this homework problem. Transaction A. The owner, Randy Guttery, invested $80,000 in cash to start the business. As we post the debits and credits, remember that debits are on the left and credits are on the right. What accounts are involved? Cash and Randy Guttery Capital. Let's complete the analysis of the cash account. Cash is an asset account with a normal debit balance. The company received cash, so we need to increase the account balance with an $80,000 debit, like signs add. Let's go down to the T account and do that. Cash, debit, $80,000, and it is transaction number A. Complete the analysis of the capital account. Capital is an equity account with a normal credit balance. Before this business transaction, there was no capital recorded on the books. Now we have $80,000 in capital, so we need to increase the capital account balance with an $80,000 credit, because like signs add. And be sure to select that this is transaction A. Let's do transaction B. Paid $3,000 for the current month's rent. What accounts are involved? Cash and rent expense. Complete your thought process for the cash account. Cash is an asset account with a normal debit balance. The company paid cash, so we need to decrease the cash account balance with a $3,000 credit. Opposite sign subtract. And as specially instructed in this problem, we need to show a reduction to an account balance as a negative number, minus 3,000. And select transaction B. Let's complete the analysis for the rent expense account. Rent expense is an expense account with a normal debit balance. Before this business transaction, there was no rent expense on the books. Now we have incurred rent expense, so we need to increase the rent expense account balance with a $3,000 debit. Like signs add, debit the account to increase its balance. And select transaction B. Once you've finished posting all of the transactions to the T accounts, then make sure you answer the question under the Analyze tab. You can use check my work once only for the whole problem, so finish the problem before you check your work. Any little red X's and will say that something's wrong, and it'll give you a chance to fix it before you submit the homework. Don't submit the homework until you're done. Question number 9 on the homework assignment is a little confusing. Notice that the same transactions are listed for question number 9 that were listed in question number 8. You do not have to record the debits and credits again in question number 9. What you need to do for question number 9 is to use your completed T accounts from question number 8 to prepare a trial balance. And when you have the trial balance done, you use the numbers on the trial balance to prepare an income statement for the company, a statement of owner's equity, and a balance sheet. And don't forget to answer the question under the analysis part of the problem. Check my work can be used once for the whole problem. If you have any little red X's, something's wrong. You need to go back and fix it before you submit your homework. Now, I know that this is a lot of new stuff. So, to help you practice what you learned in Chapter 3 and to thoroughly prepare before struggling with the last 2 problems in the Chapter 3 homework, I have posted a Chapter 3 Connect practice problem. You can access the practice problem through the Canvas modules. Page down until you see week ended February 10th, 2019. Chapter 3 optional. Click on the Chapter 3 practice. This will take you to the practice problem in Connect that is almost identical to the Chapter 3 homework problems number 8 and 9. You can practice with this problem unlimited numbers of times until you feel you have mastered the skills necessary to succeed on the homework. Please note that while the practice problem is optional and not worth any points, there are unlimited submissions for the problem, unlimited check my works for the problem, and immediate feedback and solutions for the problem. Accordingly, this practice problem is a great way to get prepared to succeed on your Chapter 3 homework. Please don't hesitate to send me an email if you have any questions about all of this stuff or Chapter 3 in general. See you next time.